How to use IG filters or Instagram filters without internet. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing well. So in today's video, I'll be covering how to use Instagram filters without using. First of all, you might be in a situation where you don't have an internet connection. So let me just turn it off. So what you want to do to edit your photos or have time editing your photos, then what you can do by using Instagram offline or without internet is tapping on Instagram, then selecting a photo, this one right here, and tap on next. And here you have option for the filters. Choose anyone you like. Okay, this one, tap on next, then just press save. And when the Instagram can't upload or it automatically saves it to your gallery like this. Here you can see your photo has been edited. So that's simple as it sounds. And that is it for today, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. I'll see you in the next one. Leave a like, consider hitting that subscribe button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.